Hello, this is Jason, and I am here at the Dragon Bridge, and we got about 3 minutes until we get our fire and water show from the Dragon. And I'm going to launch the drone here. Alright, there's our Dragon Bridge. I'm going to go off to the side. Looks like we got another drone. Kids are looking at me. Gotta avoid the other drone. But we should get some pretty good aerial shots. And I can kind of walk around too. I don't have to stay in one spot. But I don't want to be too close when it starts shooting water because a lot of this stuff I got is not waterproof. I'm using the Pocket 3, it's not waterproof, and then I got my drone controller here. So I'll stay up close for the fire part, but then we'll back up for the water part. Look. All right, under a minute. I'm gonna zoom in on it. Oh yeah, that's the head of the dragon. It's the business end. There we go. Yes. Oh, it's too cool. Too cool. Some black smoke. Look at all the people out on the bridge. Quite the crowd. I know we got some more fire, and there we go. You can feel that heat even from here. I'm pretty far away. Nice. Very cool. Nothing like this in the world. Only city I know that has a fire-breathing dragon bridge. All right, some more fire. It's so cool. I forgot to come see this last weekend. They do it every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 9 p.m. And I think they actually have some additional shows during the Tet holiday, which I think we are in right now. Very beautiful, all the boats out on the water. I think I might need to start backing up. I think the water's coming. Pretty sure the water's coming soon. Oh, here comes the water. Here comes the water. Pretty cool. I like how the dragon turns blue too when the water shoots. Let's get a look at the whole bridge. Oh, that's cool. They're getting pretty wet over there. I just have a cool mist. Very cool. Might be it. There we go. We got another shower.
Oh my God! Watch on that egg. It's gonna be. Oh my God! Is that a drone?
Yeah.
Oh my God! Can I see?
Yep.
It's over there. Oh my God!
No, that one's not mine.
Be good.
Oh my God! How,
There's a couple of them up there.
oh my God! How pretty!
Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, nope, here's another one. Here's another one. Alright, now I gotta get out of the road. And then I have to somehow get my drone. I think I might go over here, this grass area. I still have a lot of battery. I can just let it hover up there for a minute. And go over here and get a shot of everyone leaving. A lot of people come out to see this big attraction. And there's like a little market over here too. All right. That's where I started from right there. Now I'm walking down here to try to get into this grass area. Hopefully I don't hit another drone. There's like 4 or 5 other drones flying. Alright, here we go. I can get down in the grass. And then get my drone over here. I see it. Yeah, look straight down at me. There I am right there. And he's gonna grab it. All right, well that was the Dragon Bridge. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.